In this video, I will be showing you how to make a super delicious drink. I will be making a strawberry orange drink, so sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. This recipe calls for fresh strawberries or frozen strawberries. You can buy the small box of strawberries. You will also need 5 to 6 ice cubes. You will need 1 orange. And I went ahead and I squeezed my oranges, and you will need 1 cup of orange juice. You will also need 1 cup of water and 3 tablespoons of sugar. You will also need a strainer and a blender. So let's get into this video and I will show you how to make this strawberry orange drink. I already went ahead and I washed my strawberries, so make sure that when you do this recipe that all your strawberries are washed already. So I am just going to slice my strawberries before I put them into my blender. Now you have the option of slicing them if you want, or you can put them all in one piece into the blender. But I like to slice the strawberries. That way they blend a lot better that way when they're sliced. Okay, so now I'm going to put the strawberries into my blender here. Once you have the strawberries in your blender, the next thing that I am going to do is I'm going to strain this orange that I squeezed earlier, and we're going to remove the pulp. So we don't want the pulp to be in the blender, so we're trying to get every single pulp out of this orange. It's okay to have the pulp with the drink, but I normally like to strain it because otherwise it looks like it's really thick, and I like the juice to be nice and clear. Okay, so once I remove the pulp from this orange, then I'm just going to pour it into my blender. Then I'm going to add 5 to 6 ice cubes into my blender. And then the last thing that I'm going to add would be I'm going to add the water, which is 1 cup of water. And then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Once all the ingredients are into your blender, now it's ready to be mixed. Enjoy this strawberry orange drink, and if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Take care.